Hello people of YouTube, and this is probably one of the second videos that you've heard my voice in. Yeah? No? Kind of? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. So as you can see, you may not know about bird poop, but it is a thing now. Yeah. I did not know about this, and apparently it is a thing.
If you don't have enough slots to get this trade. That is the lead item from that
Video game girl.
Huh.
You want ice cream?
Sure. I love ice cream. Okay, sorry about that. Anyways.
I'll make another animal just so you can run underwater or my sister does.
Oops.
But just come to my den. Come to my den.
Okay, I'm just deleting something. Recycle that one.
Okay, I'm in the den.
Oh, okay, Shaden, I'm still recording. 1 minute, you guys. Once I get back to the trade, I will come back to this.
I'm putting the bird
Zoom.
fabulous piece of bird food right there.
Okay, so
Okay?
I know. Okay, so I got the bird poo.
Now put it in your den.
So, people.
I sound weird.
Don't stand me.
Oops, not that.
The bird poop.
Oh,
Put it on your head.
a bird. There's poop on the floor. No, wait, I need to put it on my house. Wait, I need.
Where is it? I don't see it. Don't worry,
Find it.
My sister account, she's got the bird poop.
Find it.
Not me.
Wow, I did not notice that there was poo on my floor before, people. Shaden,
It smells
Not-
really gross.
not trying to point fingers or anything, but did you do anything?
No.
Shaden, we all know that the bathroom is up here. Oh my. Shaden, we all know the bathroom is right here. You could have just taken a poo right in this toilet. This very toilet that I bought just for you. Now do I need to give it to you? Get up here. I'll just go out.
I want to go for it. I just want to poop on the floor, okay? I didn't want to poop on a toilet. I want to poop on the floor.
I see that. Now, who's gonna clean up the mess? Who's going to honestly clean up the mess?
Not me, because I really want to.
Well,
And because I made it, so I'm
well, oh, I just stepped in it. Better change my shoes.
putting in it.
Wait, I need to do a vine.
You were here, so I just sat down and went like...
Shaden, wow. Like, subscribe.
You can't say subscribe.
Really? And submarine. For more.
Stinks in here.
Does it stick in here, Shaden? Does it? Well, be back for more poop on the floor. With Pip the Sheep, also known as, what's his, Mr. Duck Duck, and Craft Minecraft. See you again. Never. Well, we'll see you with the bird poop on the floor.
Give me the bird poop back. Give me it back.
Okay, 1 minute. I need to end the video.
Okay, bye, people.
Bye. Submarine, like, and enjoy for more.